The Lord said, even as you submitted yourself to me, it's a new day. The Lord said, do not even pattern yourself after what you've seen in the past or even ministries, for I'm doing a new thing even among prophets. And the Lord said, I'm going to cause you even to flow like a river. There's coming an impartation upon you, even as I speak this word over your life, whereby your prophetic flow is going to be enhanced. And you're going to be able to prophesy to numbers of people over a period of time. The Lord said, you'll not be limited. It'll come like a river. So get ready, for I'm opening up new rivers and new wells that some have been stopped up and some have been held back. And the Lord said, do not compare yourself with others, for there are many that are your age, even your peers, that have not tapped into this realm. But because you pressed your way in and because you believe me, the Lord said, I'm well pleased with your son. The Lord said, get ready, because you've been faithful over little, I'm going to make you ruler over much. I'm going to increase your metron. I'm going to increase your sphere. I'm going to increase your authority. I'm going to cause you to be influential, to speak my word. And many will call